more intelligent Black people. My name is Dr. Bruce Watkins, and I wanted to give you guys an update on what's happening with the stock markets right now. So the market, it looks like hit another all-time high. Surprise, surprise. Lots of money being made. The stock market is being strong and resilient as usual. The government shutdown. I'm really, really, really curious to see what this does with the market. I believe that that's going to be a catalyst to the positive side. I believe that money will be made when the stock market or when the government opens up because our politicians are idiots. I think that's been well established, but sometimes idiots have a purpose. And one purpose of these idiots is that they create these, these this artificial, this artificial chaos, this unnecessary disruption that can cause temporary declines in price, and the more predictable the disruption is, the better it works for you. I'm not kidding. The easier it'll be for you to sweep back and make money. So I'm waiting around to see if the government's going to open up. I'm looking at the news. I don't see anything on this right now. It looks like, according to the White House, the October jobs and inflation data may never be released because of the shutdown. And that's okay, I think, because it's not October anymore, and it's time to move on. But the data still is going to be questionable because the Trump organization likes to, or the Trump administration likes to control how data gets released, which I think is fundamentally bad. I mean, this is not something that you want in an economy. I mean, this is not a communist country, but then again, hey, it's your country, and I just want you to make money in it. Um, it looks to me like Anthropic is about to spend 50 billion on US AI infrastructure, and Anthropic is an interesting company because they're kind of being presented as sort of an opposing force to OpenAI. OpenAI is a company that people don't really believe in very much. I think that people look at OpenAI and they think they're full of crap because they're claiming to be able to pay, 1.4, 1.5 trillion dollars worth of bills in infrastructure in these various partnerships, but they only make 13 billion in revenue and they're losing money by the boatload. They're actually predicted, from what I saw in a recent estimate, to lose $79 billion this year, which is an ungodly amount of money. This is one of the reasons that black people should be fighting for reparations, is because the inability to have a capital base that allows you to make economic decisions that sometimes are not perfect is somewhat limited. So you don't have the capital base where you can go out and lose $70 billion to try to go make a dollar. Like, they haven't made a dollar in profit, but they can go 70, $80 billion in the hole, and that's all in 1 year. This isn't even discussing like what you might see later on as it pertains to future price movements as they happen going forward. So right now you kind of have a really peculiar scenario set up in terms of what generally is going on economically. And I personally will say that if you ask me what black people should be fighting for in the reparations debate, is I don't think it should be about just getting capital. I think it should be access to capital.